Yo, what up guys, Phon-Er Gold. Today I want to show you guys an amazing phone that literally, I don't know why I say that, so amazing, but it is a phone that went through hell. I'm not sure how many cars went over it, but my client just dropped it off yesterday, no, actually the day before. She just thought it was gone. She's like, I just want the pictures. I really don't care about the phone because the phone is really beyond kind of like the whole frame is gone, everything is gone. It's like super caved in everything. So I was like, hey, don't worry about it. We got this. So anyway, so I want to show you guys this phone, guys. It is super, like, it's epic. It's epical. So I literally have the phone right here. That's the front screen. That was literally just cars went over it, smashed, done. So it's an iPhone 12. And this is the back. Look at that. I'm actually charging it right now. It's caved in, completely caved in. So what I did was I bought an iPhone 12 Pro Max Incel ZY screen. It cost me like around I want to say like 160 around there, like 150 something. And then so I put it on and look what, guess what? Well, even though you cannot see it, but you see the letters, the numbers, it turned on, which means that the backlight is out, but it's on, so we can transfer it to a new phone. And when I do transfer, I'm going to put it on video so you guys can see how crazy it is, how we can recover anything. That's what Phon-Er represents. This is my little things, and I'm proud to say that this is why I got this, because I really believe that when you persevere, because you're just resilient and you don't believe in failing, you have outcomes. That's the way that I work. I just don't believe in like, just call it a loss, you know? The way I started was like, okay, if the charging port is gone, because the charging port is literally squashed, I don't know if I can show you. Let me see if I can show you. That's the charging port, literally. It's outside of this charging thing and it's cut, so we can even use it most likely. I tried to plug in, but it didn't have any syncing, which meant that the charging port was gone. So yeah, so the way I saw it was, if we can just power it on with just the phone on, even the top part, which is required for the phone to work fully, like the proximity sensor, which is right behind the selfie cam, that was cut off. So everything was cut off, right? All the cables. So the way I saw it is that if we can turn the phone on, we can just transfer it wirelessly to a new phone, because the new iPhones, if you have the iPhone X and above, I believe, you can put the phones next to each other and they'll just literally pick up and transfer everything from one to the other, like verbatim, you know, even the last text that you sent, which is really amazing. And that's what we're gonna do, guys. And once the customer comes with their new phone, we're going to do that, and I'll put the whole thing on video so you guys can see how amazing this is going to be and how happy the customer is going to be if he or she is willing to be on camera. But she's already psyched and super excited because she's like, oh my God, this is incredible. You actually got it to turn on. I'm like, yeah, I did. So anyways, that's about it, guys. Thank you for the watch, and I'll see you second once we have the phone and it's ready to be transferred. I'll put that on video so you guys can see the whole bit. And with that said, guys, I'll see you soon. Yo, what up, guys? Yo, what up, guys? Right now I'm just doing the iCloud. So once the iCloud is pretty much backing up all that stuff, this is the broken smash one with the new screen. I'm going to then just use this new iPhone 13 to do a iCloud backup, restore, sorry, and everything is gonna be good. So we're pretty much done, guys. That's pretty much how you save a phone, by going outside the box and thinking ways that you can actually fix it. The technology is out there if you just think and persevere and just be resilient. That's the magic trick and the ingredient for success. So that's about it, guys. I'll like to leave you guys here because there's nothing else to show. If I do choose to restructure, that's probably the best word, the iPhone 12, the one that I just showed you that was super smashed, then I'll make another video saying the iPhone 12 going from smashed, damaged to brand new. And with that, guys, thank you for the watch, and I'll see you on the next one. Much love. And that's a wrap.